I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. All right, how do we do? This is March 9th post, looking for the pullback. We talked about last video, looking for the pullback first before essentially continuing to move in this ascending triangle. Remember, you don't want to lose a slower trend line, but if it continues to bounce here, 64% chance of a break to the upside. Look what Bitcoin did. Banging. Is Bitcoin chasing my yellow circles again? Is that what's happening here? Bang in. Killing it. I want to be like this guy. I want to be the coach in the box calling the plays, right? And so what gives me this ability is I have thousands of people in my trading group that are constantly DMing me like, hey, Chris, check this news. Look at this chart. Like, I'm just up here calling the plays. I miss so many trades because I'm making sure everybody else is in the best setups, because I want you guys to be successful. This is about you. This is not, I'm good. This is about you. I want to see and I want to bring the success out of you guys. I want to know if this content, like in the comments, let me know. I want to know if this content is more interesting to you, and potentially do some more videos like this so that you guys can get up to speed just on the regular YouTube channel. Is this something that you're interested in? I know a lot of people like technical analysis a little bit foreign and they like news. I'm just trying to find a good balance into what you guys want. And I know what you guys need because I see what it's done to my life, like with life-changing money, period. And I just want you guys to have what I do. And that's the reason why I don't do this every day, because I need to. I do this because I love you guys and you guys make this possible. The ability to just help you guys get away from 9-to-5 jobs. This is not about working for the man. Life is not about trying to make somebody else happy. This is about the freedom that the money provides you, period. All right, wanted to kind of tie these ideas together in videos the best way. So I posted this ANC USDT setup. And so we're watching this because Luna's been strong. Everything is based on Bitcoin, number one, right? And then potentially traditional markets have been moving Bitcoin. So you have all that cloud overhanging everything we're talking about, right? So I posted this ANC setup and I posted it with these support bounce ideas, right? And so I just want you to understand, like, this is knowledge dump. This is what I'm thinking. I post a setup and it's not like ape into this coin, right? So every time that ANC runs up here to this trend line so far, and potentially even now, like the volume came in previously on this candle, right? A big group posted this. Other groups are watching this coin. Where the attention goes, the money flows. Now, will you get a better entry? So you got this block right here. So understand over here, this VPVR I talked about. See how this spike comes out? Okay, so you've got, there's some support right there. And so I always look, and I'll front run in the right market conditions. I'll front run and buy bullish divergence on falling wedges. So the reason why this level is marked is maybe you get this double bottom, right? Bottom, bottom, double bottom. And that would be, or support based on this, right? I mean, this falling wedge is going to come down here and run out of room. So what I do, and then I talked about setting your alerts. So you can right click here, you can add alert on trend line, but if you can do only once, and every time it crosses it, it's going to alert you, you'll get an email. Or you can do once per bar close. When the candle closes above the trend line, then you'll get an alert. So potentially it would be a better breakout confirmation, so you don't get a bunch of these. But understand, the main thing is, like, what I was really trying to drive home is you'll get these fake outs, right? This is the first one of this resistance. And this was going to kind of lead us into what we're going to talk about with Ren too. And a lot of times when you get these fake outs, like, you go the other direction considerably, right? So this has happened here. So follow me now. If this is ANC is getting rejected here, are you going to get some type of support bounce? And you can zoom into like a 5-minute time frame and find smaller patterns. But I want you to be able to understand buying these support bounces. So you could come down here and you could set an alert on this, and you could make this only once, and you would just get notified via email, right? So if pro version on Tradingview, it has made me millions and millions of dollars. I can't even tell you. I used to be Coinigy, like, this is it. Coinigy is the one. Tradingview for sure is better because I can set these trend line alerts. And so this thing is going to come down here potentially. Unless Bitcoin freaking completely rolls over, the chances of this breaking out higher, 68%. That's a very good chance. Really, the only time you see these break lower is when Bitcoin rolls over, right? So ANC has ties to Luna. Luna creators created ANC, and this is why I posted this chart. Now, notice that it is still below. This is the 200 simple moving average, right? And this is a 30-minute chart, but it's still below the average price of the last 200 candles. And so you want to see it break out above that. And we're going to talk about Ren and this idea in a second. So just number one, I wanted to make sure that you knew, like, you don't want to get caught in a bunch of fake outs. And in order to do this, if you focus on buying the retest, I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he said, I started trading about a year ago. I started with 1,000 and now I'm up to about $55,000. He had no job and he paid for everything as part of what he learned in the group. And this is why I do this. This person said, feeling blessed. I get to do this now, spending time with his child, instead of working 7 days a week like I did, like his dad, right? He has no memories like this with his dad because his dad was constantly working. It's not about the money. This is about the freedom. This person, he made $5,500 last week. It normally takes him 2 months to make this at his job. Huge. This person finally add both of these portfolios together on different exchanges. He finally got to 7 figures, $1 million in crypto. Banging. Listen, I'm going to continue running the New Year's special, 60% off plus $100 discount. Make sure, change your life. New Year's resolution, get rich in crypto. If you're interested in joining my cryptocurrency trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with cryptocurrency for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off. If you pay for the year, you get 1 additional month for free. You can always choose to pay on a monthly basis from month to month with a card. Just click this link. Or if you go down to the description, you can click this link to the website. If you have any questions or you need to email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you on the team today, which will go to Luna now. And we'll see a good retest idea where this is a support pullback. And the reason why I nailed this trade, I like to trade larger coins because I can buy a couple $100,000 worth and it doesn't move the price and I can get in and get out. And so this is the reason why I got this alert, is because I was set here. I got this alert set here. See this rejection. Okay, so all the buyers, I know that everybody's trained to buy here. Okay, and so quick, I think I got like 8% out of it, not the full 10%. Anyways, point is, after this, if you get a breakout of this level, which is this level, we talked about this being price discovery. Luna's been very strong. If this happens, daily candle close, and then there's a bunch of bull traps you get up here, so you don't want to get caught and drugged down. But if you wait on the bullish retest, now the bullish retest, you always don't get the perfect retest. If people are like super bullish on Luna, this thing breaks out hard and you might only get a retest to here, right? And so you have to, they front run you. They try to get their orders filled before you do. Okay, so Luna support pullback. I had the alert set. I nailed this move, right? So when these setups are posted, there's a lot more to it. Now, when you're a veteran and you've been in the group for a couple of years, your success rate is a lot higher, but we want to get everybody up to that level. And it takes time, it takes practice, and I can get you there, right? I want you to have a 4-year plan, quit working. Like, working for the man is not what life's about. I can get you there. I will show you exactly how I learned and get you successful. This market, when it gets good, we have to have our skills in place and ready to take advantage of this market. Now, let's go to Ren. Here's the idea I was trying to come across, or try to share with you guys here. And again, a lot easier to do in a video. So you have, the 200 simple coming in. This is a 4-hour this is 4-hour chart. All right. And so imagine one of your kids is going to school and so here's the 50 down here. The 50 is the red. They're going to school and one of your children is they're above, their GPA is better than 50 of the kids in the class. Well, that's a big deal. And so you see that Ren is above the 50 simple moving average. Okay. It's also above the 200 simple moving average. So your kid is above most of the class, the average. Now, this is not very common right now with the altcoins, and this is a 4-hour chart. So this is the whole idea here is, hey, things are more bullish here than they are with a lot of coins, right? Your kid's doing real well. Good job. So understand that the failed resistance breaks. So this, okay, so why did I pick this support level? Look at the VPVR. You have this huge block. See this? This is where all the volume, the buying and the selling is taking place, is in here. So if this thing breaks above this level, you got this open space, you'll get quick moves higher. Okay, so this is the VPVR, sorry. So you got this rejection here. So that's how I picked this line, right? You got support. You don't have to use the VPVR. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but you get rejected here, rejected here. This is a major, tons of sellers are stacked right here. Okay, so I posted a setup that was buy the breakout here or a pullback to one of these levels. Also understand that this trend line came up here. Price action got rejected, got rejected, got rejected, got rejected, got rejected, got rejected. Here, even a little wick got rejected, right? So then it finally did break out, and all the buyers are sitting right back here. And this is a successful trend line retest, which wasn't posted until today, but just for learning, right? All the buyers are sitting right here, and that's why this took off. Now, whatever price action takes place, I mean, you want most of your buyers are going to be essentially in there, but you could get a successful retest higher depending on what Bitcoin does, right? And so the trade setup for Ren is, support pullbacks are good. You're watching Bitcoin. Will you get your bounce here? Will you get your bounce here? But Ren is strong. It's above the 4-hour 200 simple moving average. It's above that. And so it's a stronger coin, and we want to watch it. I've got another one to post too, Rune. We'll talk about in just a second. But this gives a breakout here, would give some upside potential if Bitcoin cooperates. And so I kind of want to just make this quick video and just tie all these thoughts together. Using alerts is very important. That's a key to my strategy. Understanding support and resistance. Understanding that a bullish breakout of a level gives you the best entry, because you're going to get caught in fake out after fake out after fake out. But when it flips it and flips it as support, SR flip, that's where you get your highest success rate. So you're entering those trades. You're not necessarily catching the bottom, but money's made in the middle. Be happy with 5, 7, 10, 12% in the current market conditions.